Tired of static slides that don't let your audience click through? Learn how to add hyperlinks in Google Slides in under a minute. So here is what we are going to do. I will show you 4 simple steps. You will select your text or object, insert the link, paste the URL, and then apply it. It is that straightforward. All right, let us start with the first thing you need to do. You need to pick what you want to be clickable. This could be a single word, a whole sentence, or even an image like a button or a shape. The reason this step is so important is that Google Slides needs to know exactly where the link should live. If you do not select anything, the link option will stay grayed out and you will not be able to click it. So go ahead and click on the text box or the object that you want to turn into a link. And here is a quick tip. If you are selecting text, make sure you highlight only the words you want to be clickable. If you select the whole text box instead of just the words, the entire box will become a link, which can be a little messy. So just a single click on the object or a click and drag over the words. That is all you need. So now that we have got that selected, let us move on to the next step. Go ahead and look at the top menu bar. You will see an option that says Insert. Click on that. From the drop-down menu that appears, you want to choose Link. That will open a small window or box right next to your selected text or object. Now, I have tested this process on a few different setups, and it works the exact same way whether you are using a PC or a Mac, so no worries there. Once that box is open, you will notice it gives you 2 options. You can either search for a slide within your presentation or paste a web address. For this tutorial, we are focusing on linking to the web. So just ignore the search option for now and get ready for the next step. Now paste or type the URL you want to link to. This is where you put the actual web address. Maybe it is a link to a YouTube video, a form for feedback, or another document. Just copy the full link from your browser and paste it directly into that small box. And here is the really important part. Make sure the entire address is there. Sometimes when you copy a link, it might miss a character at the end, and that will break the link. So give it a quick glance to make sure it starts with the proper web address format and ends with the correct extension. If everything looks good, you are ready for the final step. Finally, click Apply to save the hyperlink. You'll see a blue button that says Apply right in that little window. Give it a click, and just like that, your text or object is now a live, clickable link. If you selected text, you will notice it has turned blue and become underlined. That is your visual cue that the link is active. If you selected an object, like a shape or an image, you will not see a visual change, but rest assured it is now clickable. You can test it by clicking on it to make sure it goes to the right place. And that is all there is to it. You just took a static slide and made it interactive. Your audience can now click through to resources, videos, or any other page you want them to see. It is a small change that makes a huge difference in how engaging your presentation feels.